Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to prove Converse of Pythagoras theorem from class 10 mathematics and from unit triangles, and I am Jyotikumar M. Let us move on to statement of Converse of Pythagoras theorem. It is states as in a triangle, if a square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. Okay, according to this statement, let us consider an image. In this image, we are having a triangle ABC. By observing this triangle, we conclude that AC is the longest side in this triangle. Then in ABC triangle, if AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, then the angle opposite to longest side, which is the longest side in the given triangle, AC is the longest side. Then the angle opposite to longest side, which is the angle opposite to longest side, angle B is the opposite angle. Then the angle B is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove angle B is equal to 90 degree. In other words, we have to prove that triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Okay. Before going to prove this theorem and before going to do some constructions, let us observe what is the difference between converse of Pythagoras theorem and Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, basically a right triangle is given, but in converse of Pythagoras theorem, we have to prove the given triangle is a right triangle. Okay, in Pythagoras theorem, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, here we are having a triangle. In this triangle, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then the given triangle is a right triangle. If it is a right triangle, then the side which is opposite to right angle, that means we call this side as hypotenuse. That means square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, let us move on to our original theorem. Okay, to prove this theorem, we have to make some constructions. Okay, let us construct another triangle, namely PQR. To construct this triangle PQR, we are having some conditions. Those conditions are as like this. The length of the PQ is always equal to the length of the side AB, and the length of the side QR is always equal to the length of the side BC in the triangle ABC. And the only one difference between these two triangles is angle Q is equal to 90 degree. That means triangle PQR is a right triangle. Okay, let us move on to next step, proof. In triangle PQR, we already know that the angle Q is equal to 90 degree. If angle Q is equal to 90 degree, then triangle PQR is a right triangle. If it is a right triangle, then we are able to apply Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. By applying Pythagoras theorem to this triangle, we will get an equation as PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. But according to our construction, PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. Okay, let us substitute these values in the previous equation. then the previous equation becomes as PR square is equal to, apart from PQ we are writing as AB. So PQ, apart from PQ we are writing AB square, plus apart from QR we are going to return as BC. Okay, then the previous equation becomes as PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square, but it is given that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, by observing equation number 1 and the given equation as equation number 2, we may conclude that RHS of both the equations are same. Then if RHS of these two equations are same, then LHS of the given equations are also equal. So PR square is equal to AC square. By SPS we will get PR is equal to AC and call this equation as equation number 3. Then let us try to prove the given two triangles are congruent to each other. Then the first aspect is from triangle ABC, side AB is equal to from triangle PQR, side PQ. The reason is by construction. Then from triangle ABC, side BC is equal to from triangle PQR, side QR. It is also by construction. And lastly, from triangle ABC, the side AC is equal to from triangle PQR, side PR. Why it is so? Because we already proved in the equation number 3. By observing these three factors, side, 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 then we may conclude that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQ, or reason is side, side, side congruency rule. If these two triangles are congruent to each other, then their corresponding parts are also equal. So therefore, angle B from triangle ABC is equal to angle Q from triangle PQR. But angle Q is equal to 90 degree by construction we constructed already. So here angle B is equal to angle Q, but angle Q is equal to 90 degree, then angle B is equal to 90 degree. In the triangle ABC, angle B is going to measure 90 degree. If it is going to measure 90 degree, then triangle ABC is a right triangle. Okay, that's all for this session, friends. Thank you.